So, I thought I should just update you on this. Izolo was the 10th of October. As you know, that South African Human Rights Commission summoned us to court, and we went to court. And after court, we then decided with some patriots, let's go and support Bafana Bafana because there was a soccer match between Zimbabwe and South Africa in Moses Mabhida Stadium. And we went, and I must say, I sat there and I observed the attitude of South Africans towards foreigners. Guys, we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. Now, it even went to a point where South Africans were like, asifuni kuhlala nani, hambani niyohlala le. Now, this was because of the attitude, the arrogance. Some Zimbabweans bayadelela, guys. And some South Africans are like, not here. That was the attitude that I've observed is all. South Africans are hurtful. And, if government is not going to do anything about this immigration crisis we are facing as a country, we are on a time-ticking bomb. It's going to explode anytime soon. And I don't think government is ready for that. But I thought, let me just share my experiences. Since I was with the masses, a stadium, and I sat there and I observed. But yeah, that's what it is.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This is Ozandile Dabola, President ye Operation Dudula Zet ukuthi tolo bebalapha enkantolo lapha eDurban njengoba bebaba bidile phela Human Rights Commission babidile ukuthi ayekele lento yokuvimba abantu emaklinikhi nasetibhedlela ukuthi bathole ama-services ma-foreigner. So bathi mabaphuma lapho badecide ukuthi bahambe baye lapha eMoses Mabhida Stadium eThekwini bayobukela ibhola, bekudlala ibhola-ke itolo kudlala iZimbabwe ne-South Africa. Okay, fine. But-ke ibhola iphele nga-not kuyasikho lapho. She's saying ukuthi while laphana she was observing indlela amaZimbabwe atselela ngakhona ama-South Africans. Uthi guys, we are sitting on a time-ticking bomb. Ma-foreigner angasijikelana noma engakunini because kumanje bala South Africa. But bafuna kusitreat as if South Africa belonga kubo. Uthi they were so disrespectful toward bantu base South Africa lapha e-stadium. Uthi they were South Africans who even said ukuthi sicela nisuke eceleni kwethu asifuni kuhlala nani because they are so disrespectful bayatselela. Uthi nje I was sitting there observing ukuthi kungani ma-foreigner atselela ngalendlela. Jacinta was right. Umathi ma-foreigner ayikho ukuthi afuna kuhlala nathi la South Africa, afuna ukuthi thine sambe la South Africa kuhlale bona, afuna ukuthi ona i-own alawule la South Africa. Of which if sibayekela abahlala balokhu batalela lana, balokhu balandzana nabomzala nabo malume nabo auntie, siyogcina sifika la vele sesithi ibasi kibo because bantu base South Africa they don't see how serious this issue is. They really don't see. Bekudlala eZimbabwe ne-South Africa, but they were there because bekudlala live labi Zimbabwe. And they were there to support Zimbabwe, not South Africa. Yes, bahlala South Africa, but they are supporting Zimbabwe. Lokusho kona ukuthi vele labantu labo bawuhlezi balikhathalela live labo, thina nje basibuka njengetiduphunga labasahlala kithi for now. Makhamba sikhathi South Africa tobe ibelonga kubo. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.